Hello, my name is Sue Sweetek, owner of Hubba Hubba Foods in York, Maine. Today we're going to be making a recipe called quick tomato sauce using our Dip Me Daddio dipping oil spice. We're going to start with a saucepan and add 1 teaspoon of Dip Me Daddio, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of my favorite ingredient in the kitchen, extra virgin olive oil. Now the purpose of this is for the oil and the spices to come together and bloom the flavor so that we can taste all that garlic and herbs together. Give it a little swirl and put it on low heat on the stove. Okay, while that is heating up, we're going to talk about the tomatoes for your sauce. Now you can use crushed tomatoes if you like a chunky sauce. You can use tomato puree if you like a smoother sauce like I'm using today. It's totally your choice and your taste. And then, as you can see, we added our Dip Me Daddio, which is a fantastic blend of herbs, garlic, chili flakes. It can be used for cooking anytime you want something to taste Italian. My favorite way to use it is to marinate some boneless chicken, skinless chicken breasts, and grill them. And we eat them all week. Top a Caesar salad, make a chicken sandwich, toss it with some pasta, and it's a great way to have a quick meal. So we've got those spices bubbling together. I can smell them, which is key. Most important part. You can see they've been bubbling together here. And now we're going to add our tomatoes. And you just add your can of tomatoes. Hear that sizzle? You add your can of tomatoes to your olive oil and your spices. Give it a quick stir. And you put it back on the heat. We're going to cover it and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, if you need to do it longer, you can. And if you want to taste it and add a little more Dip Me Daddio, that's fine. It's to your taste. Put that back on the stove. And we've got some here that's already done. So you can see what that looks like. It's been bubbling away. And I can smell fresh tomatoes, I can smell garlic, and I can smell the herbs. And this would be great on top of pasta. You can buy a pre-made pizza crust and make a homemade pizza. I've got it here with some homemade focaccia. And I hope you try it and let us know what you think. You can find this recipe and more at HubbaHubbaFoods.com.